everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Lynn, and I'm back with this new video. Today I'm going to be doing my products Empties, and hopefully y'all really and truly do enjoy this video. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe by simply clicking that little red button at the bottom of the description box, and also pressing the bell so you can never miss a notification from me when I upload, okay? So yes, let's hop on into this bag and let me show y'all what's inside. First things first, I grabbed this Vo5 Herbal Escapes Clarifying Shampoo. I was really big on using this clarifying shampoo a couple of months ago and even last year and throughout my journey because it was cheap, it was affordable, and it did get the job done. Over the months, I've really been doing a lot of research on better clarifiers such as apple cider vinegar and just like all natural type clarifying shampoos and even sulfate free shampoos. So I will no longer be using this kiwi lime squeeze clarifying shampoo, but it was good while it lasted. So yes. Next I have the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco Strengthening Milk Mask. I did a review on this mask like, let's see, in probably a year or two ago, and I enjoyed it. I did use it up, and I just started to put it on my hair for like pre-poos so I could just kind of comb my hair out before I do shampoo it sometimes when I had my twist outs, and even soften my hair before shampooing when I had wash and goes. So I did enjoy using this mask. Will I repurchase it? Probably not, because I'm not really a fan of many of the Cream of Nature products. And here we have the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I use this leave-in conditioner with possibly every curling cream, smoothie, everything I could find. Like, this leave-in was clutch with a lot of things, but it did not really pair well with Eco Styling Gel. So I'm not really in love with the leave-in, but would I repurchase it? Yes, of course. And it did last me a couple of months. Like, this lasted me a while. We talking like 5 months. So a little bit does go a long way, but I found that you should not use it alone. Always use it with some kind of styler, because that's the best way to use this product. I also ran through this on Jackie's Flax Seeds Recipes Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip. Now this product was a hit and a miss for me as the months went by, because I was using it in the spring of last year and my hair started to get really dry and aggravated with this product. I don't know if it's because of the glycerin in here, but for some reason my hair just did not pair well with this product with months on end. So I just started to like use it to kind of refresh some of my twist outs, to just retwist my hair, and also just to give my ends a little bit of moisture. So I use this since I've been using it up since last year. Will I repurchase it? Probably not, but it's not a product that I hate. It's just a product I kind of like dislike. So yes, the on Jackie's. Next we have the Herbal Essences Bio Renew Hydrate Coconut Milk Conditioner, paraben and gluten free. Now this was a product that I enjoyed using, but over time I felt like I really need to use products that's just strictly for black hair, strictly for ethnic hair, strictly for naturally kinky curly hair. But this this conditioner did play well with a lot of different shampoos I used it with, and I would repurchase it if I had the opportunity to, and I had no other option out there. I would repurchase this over the blue bottle of Herbal Essences as well. So yes, I do recommend you know, some of y'all for trying this product if y'all want to try it. But I did do a review on it. It was pretty good, and that's that. The Herbal Essences Bio Renew Coconut Milk. I also ran through this extra virgin olive oil. Y'all, this is my favorite oil ever. Like, my favorite oil, hands down. I love it for everything, and you know, it's just very clutch. I love it, and this is my baby. I love it. It's cheap, affordable, and it gets the job done. Cook with it, do your hair with it, girl. Is honey, chai, boo, it's everything. I love extra virgin olive oil. And last but not least, we have the Eco Styler olive oil. I went back to using this for my wash and goes and I enjoyed it. I don't know how to really pair it with products because I found that it kind of dries my hair out and it kind of irritates my edges. So I don't know. Would I repurchase it? I have another one sitting in my products now because I'm a real gel girl. You know, I live in New Orleans, so the humidity out here plays no games. So I am a gel girl. I will repurchase this, but I just need to find a really good leave-in to pair it with besides the leave-ins I'm already using. So Eco Styler olive oil, yes. And right here is just my 2-strand twist I'm rocking. Y'all can see these 2-strand twists on my Instagram at Linda B. Heard for any other details on these 2-strand twists. But they have been treating me lovely, hunty. They've been treating me lovely. I'm definitely a 2-strand twist girl. Y'all, that cuts it. That's done. That's all the products I wanted to show y'all. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let's get that conversation popping in the comment box below. You heard me? Okay, so I would love to talk to y'all. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my videos, you know, just support my channel. We at 22K. Thank y'all so much because I wouldn't have made it to 22K without y'all. For real, okay? And I want to thank y'all again. I'm signing on out of this piece. Y'all know the routine. Bye.